some sort of ponytail look, and I was inspired to do this look by Jackie Aina and the girl from Blackish that's producing her own movie. So for today I'm going to be using this silver pin because I can't find any of my tail combs. So we're going to create, I hope this works, I'm going to create a part down the middle of my head. Created this parting, and I'm going to braid this one down, and I'm going to create another one on this side. So I have equally, I hope they're equal, sectioned out these two portions of my hair, which I'm going to make into 2 cornrows at the back, and then I'm going to put the rest into a sleek bun. So what do I do first? Should I braid them or should I do the bun? Braid a bun, braid a bun. I'm going to do the braids first. Taking my spritz bottle with water, I'm just going to spritz it a bit. Work that water through, especially the tips. I'm taking my wide tooth comb, gonna tangle. Taking this small portion first because I want it to be as close to my hairline as possible. I'm gonna begin the braiding process. So like I usually do in all my ponytails, I do a smaller section in the middle, then I do the perimeter. So this is the best because my hair is really thick. Let me show you guys what I mean. This is a whole lot of hair to just do at once. So I work the middle, then I do the outer perimeter. I'm going to leave a link to my video on how I make my ponytail up here for you guys to see, so you can click on it and watch, and that's basically what I'm going to do now. So taking this portion, I'm going to section from where the braid ends, the cornrow ends. So I'm gonna saturate it. gel. I'm gonna gel that down a bit, just a bit, not too much because it's not really showing, if you get what I mean. Now we're gonna work on the outer perimeter. So like I did before, taking my spray bottle with water. Taking just a bit of Blue Magic, most especially for the tips and not the roots. Okay, now for where the hard work, gonna put your back into it to get this place to lay down. So taking my hard brush, let me show you the back. Taking this. Take two. Now in the mood of creativity, I am going to be applying these silver clips onto these two cornrows. To apply them, you just need to open them up. I'm not sure you can see. Open it up just a bit. Put it on the cornrow. Then press it closed. That's it. Okay, so that's done.